If meticulousness and details matter to you, this is the perfect property. Winslow Township, Waterford Works. Let's check it out. The address is 115 South 2nd Avenue. This is Winslow Township, Waterford Works section 08089. And this is what you're looking for. The seller, when I tell you, has done everything here. From this asphalt driveway to the packed stone drive to the side, concrete borders around the entire beds. E.P. Henry, you got a 2-car garage, you've got auxiliary sheds there, lovely walkway coming up. All of the exterior is AZAC around the windows, and the exterior work was all done in 2018 here. So you have the cedar impression shingles, this lovely vinyl banister rail system. You have some Trex type decking here, everything turnkey perfect. And guess what? That continues on to the inside. Who doesn't love this setup? With the beautiful soaring A-frame ceiling, open floor concept, big table, round, fits perfect, and the kitchen is impeccable. These are all soft touch with dovetail joints. You have tall cabinetry here, granite countertop, the small subway tile, who doesn't love that? Built-in stainless microwave, dishwasher, top of the line, gas range, perfect. Everything turnkey perfect. This area here is your family room, just sets up exactly how you would in a dream. And the detail in this house, it doesn't, every inch of this place, it's just one of these properties. The floors are painted, you have steel cabinetry, you have the vise, you have an auxiliary panel here, pool downstairs, everything is in perfect condition. If you're looking to buy a house where you had Mr. Meticulous living here prior to your ownership, this is the one. Just take a look at the sight lines coming in. Windows were all replaced, 2018. Recessed lighting all over, white, bright. You have the countertop lighting, just everything exquisite. And this piece is a built-in piece where it's actually built into the wall. So this is gonna stay with the property. And that's absolutely gorgeous. And it carries on. This may be the neatest property that I've ever been in. The outside, just take a look. I mean, it kind of doesn't need words. You can see that it's perfect. This is a 20 by 70 concrete patio, goes the entire length of the house. Hot tub is included, all nice and neat. You have your aluminum fencing framed by the lovely evergreens there. Tomato plants, another nice area, rocked. And you have a 21-foot diameter pool. This is something to really behold. Let's take a closer look at it. More seating here. The concrete keeps running all the way down. You have a barbecue area here. That's where your well pump is, and you have this gorgeous shed, and you can see that it's cedar and it's got that Hansel and Gretel arched doorway. Absolutely perfect. And you have Old Glory here, which we all love and respect. So this is the grounds out here. Vinyl fencing, aluminum fencing, AZAC, beautiful concrete, not a blemish whatsoever here, and it all could be yours. Let's check out the eastern wing of the house. You have your basement, which we'll check out later. You have one bedroom. We'll call this bedroom number 3. Everything trimmed out beautifully. It's got the thick 5 1/4 moldings at the baseboard. You have a full bathroom that services the 2 auxiliary bedrooms. The master bath has its own private suite. This will be bedroom number 2. Everything in perfect shape. And the master, you have hardwood in here, new everything, thick baseboards, crown moldings, recessed light, and you have this gorgeous tile with a shower, vanity, everything right next door and easy accessibility. Full basement, more of the quality workmanship. It carries on down here. You have this gorgeous work area. You got the LED lights. The seller painted the ceiling black, which is all the rage. And the construction, this is no ordinary beam. This is an I-beam here, so everything is built, rock solid to last. Imagine working down here nice and cool, really a nice spot to collect your thoughts or to get some work done. Coming this way, you have the infrastructure of the house. The hot water heater was 2022. The Goodman furnace and air conditioning system, collectively we'll call it the HVAC, was 2023, new, you don't have to worry about it. You have your well pumps and tanks all right here, washer, dryer, and you have your 200 amp behind me electrical box. So plenty of space to store things down here. All these shelves are built in. All of those wood shelves, they're gonna stay. If this is the house for you, 115 South 2nd Street, Waterford Works, New Jersey, click the link in the description below, and that'll take you to a web page where you can make an appointment, you can see all the pictures, you can get a lot more detail on the property. So check that out. If it's not your cup of tea and you want to see all the new videos that are coming out, we're actually putting these maybe every 3 days. A brand new video comes out of a brand new listing somewhere in South Jersey. Make sure that you click the subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so that you're made aware as soon as these properties hit the market. You'll be the first to know, gives you an advantage. And as always, thank you for watching.